Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today, we need to have a serious chat about the brand new GoPro 12 Hero Black. Now, before you rush to the store and grab one for your next adrenaline-filled escapade, there are a few things you need to know. First and foremost, let's talk about overheating. Now, we all know that GoPros are known for their compact size and durability, but unfortunately, they haven't quite cracked the code when it comes to handling heat. Many users have reported that the GoPro 12 Hero Black tends to overheat during prolonged use, which can be a major buzzkill, especially if you're in the middle of capturing an epic moment. Next up, let's talk about night footage. I don't know about you, but some of the most breathtaking moments happen when the sun goes down and the stars come out. However, the GoPro 12 Hero Black seems to struggle when it comes to capturing high-quality night footage. You might find yourself with grainy and somewhat disappointing results, which is a shame considering the price tag attached to this beast. And finally, let's address the elephant in the room: battery runtime. Now, we've all been there. You're on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, and suddenly, your GoPro starts flashing that dreaded low battery warning. It's frustrating, to say the least. Unfortunately, it seems like the GoPro 12 Hero Black is still plagued by limited battery life. Despite the advancements in technology, GoPro hasn't made any significant improvements in this area, which can be a real deal breaker for many users. Ultimately, it's important to remember that the GoPro 12 Hero Black may not be the perfect choice for everyone. The overheating issues, the average night footage quality, and the limited battery runtime are still prevalent, as the device utilizes the same CPU, sensor, and a very similar lens as its previous models. So, before you make your purchase, take a moment to consider these factors. As always, I encourage you to do your own research and make a decision that best suits your needs. Until next time, happy adventuring, my friends.